What I have here are two glasses filled with water, one hot and one cold. Now what do you think would happen if I pour a drop of food coloring into each glass? Of course, the warmer glass spreads the food coloring out more, while the cold glass doesn't. But why does this happen? Also, notice how the food coloring is spreading. The warmer glass looks like it's spreading the food coloring more randomly. This is an example of something called Brownian motion, one of the factors responsible for entropy in a system. Brownian motion is a random, uncontrollable process. It is the random movement of particles in a fluid that constantly collide with one another. You can see it in everyday life, such as the dust particles randomly moving in the air of your room. It causes chaos and disorder in a system, which is where entropy comes in. Entropy is the degree of disorder in a system. When I dropped a fluid, these randomly moving particles of water randomly influenced where the food coloring went by colliding into them. The food coloring became a part of the system. The hot water had more energized particles because of the heat energy provided by heating it up. This caused the particles to move faster and mix the food coloring into the system faster, while the colder fluid mixed the food coloring less because the particles had almost no energy and barely moved. This also coincides with entropy, which is known to increase as temperature increases. But we all know that over time the fluid will fully mix into the mixture. The particles from the food coloring will randomly be dispersed into the two glasses almost equally. This is where the second law of thermodynamics comes in, stating that as time progresses, the net entropy of a system will increase. This is also due to factors such as Brownian motion.